Hey, I'm working on the KTM Duke 390. It's a 2016 and it has a cracked airbox. You can see this here. It seems to be a common issue with the KTM. Yeah, so where this airbox goes is, as you can see, it fits right in there. It's the intake of the air. It kind of sits like so. And then comes the air filter sitting in here, and your air intake is over to the rear here, so that you get more cold air into the engine. So it basically goes through and then into the engine here. You can see you can remove the whole thing without removing the tank. So I got the sides off, it's much easier for me. Remove the tank is not necessary. And one more tip, there's a part number printed on the part, this one, which is actually not the replacement part. It is actually the part number of the air filter. So if you're looking for the replacement part, I'm gonna post it in the description below. The airbox is held in place by 3 screws. 2 are left and right of the tank, and 1 is below, and you can reach it from the rear wheel. After you remove the air filter and the air intake, you have to disconnect 2 small hoses on the right of the bike and loosen the hose clamp to the engine. Then gently pull the box out. You basically reverse the complete procedure when installing the box. You can see I'm struggling to get it back in, but as you can also see, it's possible to do without removing the tank. Here you can see how I'm tightening the 3 screws that hold the airbox in place. And here you see how I connect the hoses. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me.